Jason, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Good.
Are you?
Yes.
I'm excited.
Maurice, you ready?
Let's go.
So for the record, it's 4:30. Way too late. But we will try. It's a bit rocky here, so we're trying to save time. So we drive as far as we can because we're quite late. You ready or what?
See the stars.
That's a good smell. I'm listening to dub and a bit of psy so that the path makes more fun. It's a little bit faster than me. And there's the view. I mean, almost up. And there's a volcano. The other one. Oh no, I'm only now filming. Oh no.
With the drone, I'm nearly. In a straight line. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Maurice, what's up? It looks so good. Oh, the quality. Shit.
There's our scooter.
Where's our scooter?
There. No. There we are.
What? That's so far away. So, oh,
You're
interesting.
not even recording. I'm going all the way back. Love these views.
I gave up walking with shoes just because it doesn't make any sense. I got so many rocks in my shoes, which is quite annoying. But like this works, so the socks are already ripped. Exciting! What? It was worth it. I didn't expect that. I thought like it's gonna be all cloudy, no sun. But in the end, it looked pretty cool. I'm happy we did it. And by the way, this was my third volcano. I previously thought the last volcano was Acatenango, that was in Guatemala, where we could see El Fuego erupting. That was really nice, and also Antigua. And the one before was Tenerife, El Tide. Well, I hiked it twice, but last time I did fully go to the top because we were quite late. But the first time I didn't. So yeah, all good things are free.
Look at your socks.
So this is the after hike food. For Jason, it's second food.
Yeah.
Yes,
Second food.
second food.
Yeah.
Yum. And for me, it's the first. Delish. It's my drink.